Here we are, Pa.
I hope we get some ducks today.
Yeah, me too. I want to bag me one of them giant ducks I keep hearing about.
All right, get the guns.
I heard they're extra big this year, Pa.
That's what I heard too. Giant ducks.
All right, let's get our stuff set up and then we'll bag us something.
Junior, to hunt ducks, you gotta be patient. And you also gotta be quiet. So you gotta be patient and quiet.
All right, Pa. Patient and quiet. Gotcha.
Now blow on that duck call. See if we can bring one in.
All right. Right there, Pa, look at that one.
Oh my God, you see the size of that thing?
That thing's huge. Get it. Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Oh man, did you see that thing? It exploded when I shot it.
Yeah, that was awesome, Pa. Great job.
Woo! This is gonna be a good day.
Hey, what's that noise? You hear that? Almost sounds like a motorcycle.
Slippers, what are you doing here? You're scaring all the ducks away.
Oh, sorry, Taryl. I was just coming out here to feed the ducks. Hey, what are you guys doing with those guns? Hope you're not hunting out here. They got it posted right here, no hunting.
Yeah, we're not stupid, Slippers. We can read. These guns are for,
In case a bear comes along.
yeah, that's what they're for. In case bears come along.
Oh, well, I guess you're right. You guys have fun bird watching. You truly are a magical species. I'm gonna go fill the bird feeders. I'll see you around.
Yeah, go feed the birds.
Yeah, beat it.
No hunting.
Let's solve that problem.
Yeah, now we can hunt. Pterodactyl here. And you know what? Today's how-to video is going to be on this here Stihl. This is a MS-180 chainsaw. And what had happened is this latch, this control latch, which controls the on and off and the choke and the high RPM, it snaps into here. And that little part on the bottom done broke off, which is part of the crankcase. So now the latch doesn't work right. It won't choke and won't do anything. So the guy took it to a shop and they said, nope, junk saw, you gotta buy a new saw. That's the whole crankcase that part snaps into. Can't be fixed. Junk, it's garbage, junk. Throw it away. It's junk. Buy a new one. It's junk. It's garbage. Throw it away. And the guy said, I know a guy who can fix it. Pterodactyl. And I thought, oh yeah, great. Throw me under the bus. So he brought it to me and said, you think you can fix that, Taryl, where that snaps in? And I said, no, that can't be fixed. That's part of the crankcase. That's all junk. Garbage. Junk. Throw it away. And he's like, come on, Taryl, you're pterodactyl. I said, yeah, I know who I am. I'm pterodactyl. I said, I'll take a stab at it. And I took my knife out and I stabbed the guy. No. So I said, you know what? I think I can fix it. So I got an idea. And I took a little 1/16 drill bit and I drilled a hole right behind where that thing latched in. I did a couple attempts until I got it right. I even drilled a hole down here for some reason. I don't know. Maybe I'll just start drilling holes. So you gotta be careful not to drill into the fuel lines right there. So you gotta get something and push it back so you don't drill into the fuel line. So just drill right into there. Then you got to get yourself a little piece of wire. Some thin wire that'll go in there, but yet heavy enough. This is pretty stiff wire that I had laying around the shop. Okay. And we're going to fish that wire through and we're going to wrap it around and we're going to tie this back in place. Now you see where that is? That's got to be on top for the switch, for the kill switch. So remember that when you're doing this. All right, so we're gonna take this kill wire off because it's in our way. and you just pull it out. It comes out this way. We'll get that out of our way. And then we're gonna put that wire in that hole I drilled. Doesn't matter, it won't go in the hole I drilled. There we go. Must have been flared out. And then you're gonna have to grab it with a little pair of needle nose and bring it through. And I got some bigger plugs, all right? And then we want it to come around the top. So it's gotta be behind that choke lever, because we want to get it right on this side of it. Want to come up through here. Want to be right next to it. And we'll pop that back in. And then the other end, we want to be in the bottom here. So when you do it, yours should look like this. And you gotta start twisting it. All right, see? Over the top and then around the bottom. I hope y'all can see that. Mr. Cameraman, get in there and get a good shot so people can put it on pause and take a good look at it. See, our wire is down in here. It's coming up right in between here. And then the other end is coming right there and up through the bottom. Got that? All right, so put it in place like where it went originally. There's where your kill is. That would go on the wire there. And then grab your pliers and twist the wire, make it tight up against there. The only problem is, if you ever go to take the carburetor off, you're gonna have to cut this wire, but that's no big deal. So you want it tight. You want to make sure it's tight up in there. But don't twist it too much, you'll break the wire off. You have to start over. See? Now it works. There's choke. There's high RPM. And there's kill. So now I just gotta take my kill wire, stick it back in there. And you can cut this excess off so it's not in your way. Pretty simple fix. Piece of wire. No crazy adhesives or glue. See, now it works like it did before. Choke. There's off. That tab, how the tab hits it. Too bad the saw don't start. Oh, that's oil. Oh, ain't got no gas. Ain't got no gas in it. You know who says that? But that's all there is to fixing that latch that broke when they told you that's all junk. You got to throw it away. That's all junk. Now, remember, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and go to our store and buy our merchandise. You want to keep this channel going. It don't run on freeness. It runs on money. Buy our merch. You're getting something. You're getting a shirt, hat, some putties, some tools. We're going to come up with more stuff. You know, buy a winter hat, buy a shirt, buy a hoodie, buy something. Keep the channel going, okay? And as always, there's your dinner. I gotta put some gas in it. Make sure this thing runs. I fixed the latch. It's junk. That's all junk. You better throw it away and buy a new one. You can't fix that. That's all junk. That's what the guy told him. Told him it was junk. Woo! Fixed it. Needs a carburetor adjustment. That was just a little extra for y'all. It was on the latch, not the running on the saw. Okay, Junior, there's another one.
Ah, I see him.
Shoot him.
All right, Pa. Got him.
Yeah!
Yeah! That thing was huge, Pa. Ah, right there, Pa. Get him.
Yeah, gladly.
You missed him. Ah, and you blew up that flamingo. Isn't that a protected species?
If it was a protected species, it should have been wearing a flak jacket. I'm all out of shells.
Well, here, try mine. Way to go, Pa. You hit another one.
That one came out of nowhere. Stupid flamingos. Don't they know they're not supposed to be in a duck hunting pond? I'm gonna try again.
Hey, whoa, 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 not so fast. You've tried enough. Let me shoot this thing. Get out of the way.
What was that? Gunshots! They must have ran into a bear. I better go see if they're all right.
Great job, Pa.
That was a good day of hunting.
That was fun. Do that again sometime.
You know what? I wonder what flamingo tastes like.
I guess we'll find out, huh?
Yeah, we sure will.
Man, I'm getting hungry, Pa.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to cook one of them ducks or one of them flamingos.
Uh-oh.
Oh, crap.
You boys out here hunting?
No, we're just out here bird watching.
Oh yeah? What's with those guns?
They're to protect us against bears.
Oh yeah, that's good thinking. Looks like somebody's been out here hunting. Whose bike is that?
That's not our bike. That's some guy's slipper. And there, he's coming up here right now. Here he comes.
Yeah, that's him. There he is.
That's his bike.
Excuse me, sir. Is this your bike?
Oh yeah, it's a 73. Do you like it?
Pretty nice. But we're confiscating it for illegal hunting.
What? I was out feeding the birds. I wasn't hunting. I don't even own a gun.
Likely story. You're under arrest.
Oh, I can't believe this. You should be arresting them. They're the one with the guns.
Yeah, that's for the bears. Quit squirming. Let's go.
No, I can't believe this. Ridiculous. Oh, I didn't even do nothing. This is ridiculous. I can't believe this.
Junior, quick. Grab them birds. Throw them in the back of the Jacobson.
Yeah, good idea, Pa.
Let's get out.
I'll be back soon.